When you're searching for the best MacBook Air battery replacement, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims, and it can be overwhelming. But to find the right one that meets your needs, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, FutureRebet A1466 battery. First up is the FutureRebet A1466 battery replacement for the MacBook Air 13-inch. Priced at just $31.99, this caught my eye because it boasts a solid 7200 mAh capacity. If you want a reliable power source for your older MacBook Air models, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This battery is compatible with several MacBook Air versions from 2010 to 2017, giving you the flexibility to revive your older device. With a voltage of 7.5 V and a capacity of 55 Wh, it ensures fast charging and low power consumption, which is crucial if you're tired of running out of juice mid-task. The safety features are also impressive, providing protections against overcharging and overheating, so you can have peace of mind while using it. Now, some users mention that the battery life isn't as long as expected after a couple of years. Here's the thing though, most replacement batteries can lose capacity over time. If you're looking for a quick fix at a great price, this one still holds its ground. This is perfect for you if you have an older MacBook Air and want a budget-friendly option that gets the job done. Skip this one if you're looking for something that will last for years without any drop in performance. It's a solid value for money. Now, if the compatibility of the FutureRebet A1466 battery has you thinking, the next option could offer even more reliability. Product number 2, FutureRebet A2337 battery. Next up is another FutureRebet option, this time for MacBook Air 13-inch 2020 M1. Priced at $51.99, this battery replacement stands out with its lithium polymer technology. This battery is designed specifically for the latest MacBook Air models, making it a great choice if you've upgraded recently. With a capacity of 55 Wh and a voltage of 11.4 V, it means you can enjoy longer usage times between charges, which is critical if you rely on your laptop throughout the day. It also claims up to 500 charge cycles, so you can be confident it'll last. However, some users have reported issues with installation, stating that it doesn't fit perfectly in every model. But here's the thing, if you're comfortable with a bit of DIY or have someone to help, the performance you'll get makes it worth it. This is a great pick if you have the 2020 MacBook Air and want a reliable battery that won't break the bank. Skip this if you're not ready to deal with the installation process, as it can be a bit tricky. It's a good value considering its performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a high-capacity choice. Product number 3, ASMARK replacement battery. Now let's look at the ASMARK replacement battery for MacBook Air A1466, which is priced at $43.99. This caught my attention because of its remarkable 80-100 mAh capacity. It's compatible with older MacBook Air models from 2010 to 2017, and with its full charge capacity of 6156 Wh, you'll enjoy longer usage times. With advanced safety features like short-circuit protection, you can use it with confidence knowing your device is protected. However, some users mention that the battery drains quickly under heavy usage. But honestly, this is common with many high-capacity batteries. If your tasks aren't too demanding, this battery will be a fantastic investment. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable and easy-to-install battery and use your MacBook Air for everyday tasks. Skip this if you do heavy gaming or video editing on your laptop, since it may not hold up as well under pressure. It's a great value for the features you get. Now, if you're looking for something tailored for the Retina display models, the next option is exactly what you need. Product number 4, FutureRebet A1932 battery. Next is the FutureRebet A1932 battery replacement, which is tailored for MacBook Air Retina models priced at $47.69. I was drawn to its compatibility with both late 2018 and early 2020 models. With a capacity of 55 Wh and a voltage of 11.4 V, This battery promises fast charging and efficient power use. Plus, it features multiple safety protections, which is great because nobody wants to deal with battery issues. That said, some reviews mention the battery having a slightly shorter lifespan than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're using it moderately, you'll still find yourself getting good value out of it before a replacement is needed. This is perfect for you if you own a Retina MacBook Air and want a reliable battery without spending a fortune. Skip this if you need something that can withstand heavy-duty use daily. It's reasonably priced for the performance you get. Now, if you're looking for the most affordable option, the last one on our list might fit your needs. Product number 5, Trion-B A1405 Battery. Finally, let's talk about the Trion-B A1405 battery replacement, which is the most budget-friendly at $29.99. This one caught my eye because of its competitive price and decent reviews. It's compatible with a range of MacBook Air models from 2010 to 2015, and it claims to offer up to 500 recharge cycles. With its built-in circuit protection, you can use it without worrying about overheating, which is definitely a plus for anyone who uses their laptop daily. However, some users have reported that the battery doesn't hold a charge as well as they hoped after several months. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a temporary fix or don't use your laptop heavily, this might still be a sensible choice. This is perfect for you if you want an economical option that works well for light use. Skip it if you need a battery that will last through rigorous daily use, as you may want something with a higher capacity. It's a great budget option, especially for casual use. So there you have it, a quick rundown of the best MacBook Air battery replacements. From the budget-friendly Trion-B option to the high-capacity ASMARK battery, each has its unique benefits. Choose the one that fits your specific needs and enjoy a longer-lasting MacBook Air.